Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be exploring a crucial aspect of CSS, which is media query. Media query allows us to have different styling based on various matters, such as your device screen, your screen resolution, orientation, or a few other features. Media queries allows us to have responsive design such that the view from a mobile device is different from the view from a desktop. Maybe if you're viewing from a large screen, the displays would be different from when you're viewing on a smaller screen. So we're going to use a basic example to see how media query works. We're going to use a navigation project for this example. So I have my anchor tag right here, and I have it looking like this on a desktop view. Of course, I'm using a laptop. So this is our large screen. So what if I want to view this project from using a mobile phone, which is a smaller screen? How is it going to look like? We don't want it to be arranged horizontally like this. We want it to have a different look. So let's get started. The keyword for media query is simply at media, and then we put in our condition that once this page is below a certain width, then it should take a particular styling. It should display a specified styling. So in this case, we're going to say once our screen size goes below 768px, then we want the nav to have a height of auto, and we want to have a display of flex. Unlike the one we did for the large screen, we didn't use the display of flex, everything just a night like that. And we want this to have a flex direction of color. So once this page goes below 768 pixels, it's going to have this styling. And let's also work on the anchor tag. So for the nav A, say we want to increase the padding, say 10px. Let's just see how it looks like before we would have any other one. So I'm going to reduce this to below 768, and this is what it looks like. So if I'm viewing this page from my mobile screen, then this is what it looks like. So let's make some other adjustments. Say maybe 8 pixel, and maybe we don't want it to have a background color of white and a text color of black. We want it to have another over effects entirely. In the previous navbar we did, which was this one, for the over effects, we gave it a background color of white and a color of black. So I want something entirely different. Maybe a border instead, or maybe on the line, or something else entirely. Say we want to increase the size of our text to, well, I don't know the original size. Okay, large, I use large. So what if I just want to use small this time? So these styling are all going to be taking effect only when my mobile screen is below 768 px. Now this doesn't look sophisticated because I just want us to start with something really simple. Subsequently, we are going to have more videos of advanced examples using media queries and implementing it on projects. So I believe this is is simple enough. You can add your styling. You could make this move to the center. You could make the anchor tag move to the center. You could even remove the white background color and maybe it's a border, or you could change the color to red. So say we want to change the color of the anchor tag to red. Once it goes, the screen size goes below 768 pixels. We just change the color right here to red. When it is on a large screen, we have our normal color, but once it goes below 768, then we have a red color. So we are not limited to background color and coloring. We can have a different styling as we want. It can look anyhow we want it to look like, as long as it makes sense. So I hope this example was easy to grasp, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.